Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another What's New in Beauty PR unboxing to share with you. You seem to really like these videos, so I'm going to carry on doing them. These are products that brands have sent me. There's no contract in place. I'm under no obligation to post or anything like that. I've just been accepted onto their PR list and I get random things sent to me through the post out of the blue, which is really, really exciting. Every package that I am sent, I'm like, oh, wow, oh my gosh, really, really excited. And it's all thanks to you lovely lot watching my videos and subscribing, because if it wasn't for you, then none of this will be happening. So thank you. Let's start off then with, this is Glow. This is from the Sephora collection. This is the Power of Vitamin C. How cool is that packaging? And they sent me some products to try. This is a powerful combo of vitamin C and E. We've got here a Super Glow cleansing powder, formulated without water and unscented. There's 25 grams there. Ugh! I've just seen them actually on Instagram, mixing this with other products as well to create like your own little cleansing recipe. A powerful cleanser that gently boosts skin's glow day after day. The skin is glowing and smooth, formulated with a combo of vitamin C and E for a luminous and radiant complexion. So we've got a little powder there. Then we have got a vitamin C and E Super Glow serum there. Boost your daily dose of glow with a cocktail of stabilised vitamin C from synthetic and natural origin and vitamin E from natural origin. Instantly, our star serum helps increase skin luminosity while improving and evening out skin tone. What percentage of vitamin C? 7% vitamin C. Clinically proven for all skin types, including sensitive. So I got a cleanser and serum duo there. Next on to Drunk Elephant. Oh. 3 products from them. Bouncy Bright Facial is a whiz at making dark spots and redness vanish. C Firmer Fresh gives you a dewy glow that you won't believe. And C Tango brings all the brightness to the eye area. Add them all together, check out your reflection and you'll be like, damn. Now go forth and shine. So I've got the Bouncy Bright Facial Mask Illuminator to correct and clarify. It contains 10% azelaic acid and 1% salicylic acid. Triple antioxidant brightening complex, and it's 50 mils there. I've got a little sample ready to try of this. I haven't tried it yet. It's been set down in the corner and I'm ready to take photos, so I haven't tried it. But it sounds amazing. My skin is going, oh, my skin is crazy at the minute. I've got polycystic ovary syndrome and I have just been told, not told, I've just learnt it gets worse the older I get. It doesn't disappear like you'd expect. Like most women, when they get older, their testosterone levels naturally decrease. No, not if you've got polycystic ovary syndrome. It increases and it doesn't decrease until years and years and years later, compared to someone that hasn't got this condition. So I'm noticing I'm coming out with spots, I'm coming out with greasiness, my hairline is thinning, really struggling with my weight. All these things. I'm on medication for polycystic ovary syndrome. I've got a doctor's appointment now to see about increasing it and checking my levels and things like that. So anyway, my skin is not great. My skin looks dull. My under eyes are really dull and dark. But this sounds great. It's got azelaic acid and salicylic acid, so I know that's going to help with the my pores and the oiliness and things. So no, I'm really excited about that. And then we got the day serum as well. This is the Firmer Fresh Day Serum with 15% L-absorbic acid and ferulic acid. I mix the liquid with a powder. Fresh day serum, so super fresh, that I have to mix it together. If you've used any of these products, I'd love to hear what you think of them. So yeah, so there's that. Then we got something for the eyes. This is the Tango, the C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream to brighten and firm. Power 5C 8 Peptide Blend. Oh, I've been using caffeine serums, lots of different eye creams, but I don't know what is wrong. They're quite dry as well. So I'm willing to give anything a go. And this does sound really nice. A rich and restorative eye cream featuring a brightening combination of 8 peptides, 5 forms of vitamin C and cucumber extract, firmer, stronger looking skin around the eye area. Yeah, beautiful packaging as well. I do like that. So there's Drunk Elephant. On the 17th of May, Living Proof brought out their jumbo size dry shampoo. This is the Perfect Hair Day Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. Actually cleans hair and softens and shine. And this is 355 mils. I do like this. I tend to use dry shampoo when I want to put my hair up and it's a little bit greasy at the roots. That is generally the only time I use it. I do like for spritzing around my hair so then I can get a good thickness going. And then I put it up and my hair looks a lot thicker with the dry shampoo in. But yeah, they kindly sent me one just to let me know that they're releasing the full size. This is the #1 prestige dry shampoo brand for years, with one living proof shampoo sold every 30 seconds. And we've just gone big on size, and yet provides pollution protection and balances scalp sebum levels. So there you go, you've got some living proof dry shampoo there. Next, MEDIK8. MEDIK8. Oh, there's some products in here that I love. Starting off with Crystal Retinol 3. It's a night serum. It contains vitamin A and it comes in different strengths. It goes all the way up to number 10, I believe. So you can gradually ease your skin into using retinol. It says here, rediscover youthful looking skin with Crystal Retinol 3 fortified with 0.03% encapsulated retinaldehyde, an advanced alternative to retinol. This overnight vitamin A serum cream helps to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while promoting a visibly smooth, clarified and radiant complexion. MEDIK8 recommend using vitamin C and sunscreen in the morning and vitamin A at night. We call this skincare strategy CSA. I've actually got this by the side of my bed and I've got the peptide night cream as well. So really, really lovely. Leaves my skin feeling really nice and soft. But I am going through, as I just mentioned, my skin is not great at the minute, so I'm just cutting back and using just basic skincare just over the next couple of weeks, just so I can see how my skin is doing and see if I need medication changing and things like that. But no, I really have to got another one. Another item I really like is the Advanced Day Care with SPF 50 plus. Advanced Day Ultimate Protect Age Define Moisturiser with Photolaze SPF 50, and there's 50 mils there. This is really, really nice. I'm actually on my second one at the moment. It absorbs nicely into the skin and it's got like a, what smell is it? It's like a lemony sort of smell. Very subtle, but you know, I really like it anyway, and my skin likes it. So we got another one. Then we got Hydra 8. This is B5 Intense Hyaluronic Acid with NMF Replenish and Boost. And there's 30 mils here. And again, I've tried this before. Whoa, this is not a full size. It's the first time having a full size. It's a really nice hydrating serum. Some hyaluronic acids can leave your skin feeling really super tacky. It depends on how much you use. I apply it after I've toned my face and I've sprayed it with a facial mist. I apply it then, and then I use a serum to target wrinkles, whatever. And then I use a moisturiser and then an SPF. So yeah, so I've got a hyaluronic acid there because I'd love to know how much my body makes naturally because it depletes the older we get. Next, we got a Lipid Vitamin C Enhanced Radiance Serum, 30 mils. It says, supercharge your morning routine with this enhanced daily vitamin C serum designed for all-round healthy looking skin and visible radiance. Featuring a stabilised, gentler form of vitamin C combined with activated red ginseng. Looks like that. The packaging of MEDIK8 products is really smart, isn't it? It's really, really nice. So there's 4 items that MEDIK8 have kindly sent me. If you've tried any of them, please let me know what you think. Now onto a massive box Sephora sent me. Look! It is huge. It is huge. Science Matters. So when I first saw this, because as I said, I don't receive any emails or anything to let me know that they were going to send it to me, I thought it would be all Sephora collection products and all the science behind it. But no, it's not. We have got here, we've got products suitable for blemish skin, products suitable for dehydrated skin, for firmness, wrinkles, first signs of aging, SPF and glow. And my daughter was like, I want the blemish box. I want the blemish box, mum, which I'll show you first. Whether you're looking for radiance, firmness or hydration, Sephora has the right products for you. There's 3 products. We've got a Sephora's own brand clarifying cleanser for face and body. 95% ingredients from natural origin, unscented, and there's 200 mils here. It says use AM or PM, wet skin and massage over face, décolletage and back, and rinse thoroughly. Then we got the Inky List. This is super solutions developed with dermatologists. Excess oil solution, 20% niacinamide. Controls oil for up to 8 hours. Dramatically reduces the appearance of enlarged pores. And there's 30 mils here. What I love about the Inky List is that the packaging is full of information. It tells you when you can use it, day and night. And they've got like a coding system on the back there. So this serum is to treat your skin. This serum can be layered with other serums. It contains the highest level of niacinamide to control oil and effectively tighten the look of enlarged pores. So there you go. So hopefully that will help my daughter. And she says this item is well known on social media. Loads and loads of people talk about it. This is Mario Badescu Skincare Drying Solution, 29 mils. It looks like chamomile lotion. It's got that pink chalky type effect, you know, type of look, you know. This blemish remover is specifically formulated with salicylic acid, sulfur and zinc oxide to help clear skin of impurities and treat pimples while you sleep. So this will be great for me as well, but I will be giving it to my daughter. Next, dehydration. We've got Bioma. This is a creamy jelly cleanser, triceramide complex, licorice root green tea, boosted barrier, better skin, 175 mils there. This is to brighten and hydrate. The pH balanced jelly formula transforms into a rich creamy lather to melt away the day, leaving skin refreshed, clean, makeup free without disrupting the skin barrier. Great for all skin types. I love the packaging. That is just gorgeous, isn't it? I'm a sucker for packaging. It's just really, really cool. Then we've got a lip mask. This is by Laneige, and this is a lip sleeping mask in mango to hydrate, nourish and soften, and there's 20 grams. This is such a great mask. I have tried it before, but not the mango one. So you've got a little spatula there. But yeah, smell it. Oop. Not strong smell, not yet anyway. Maybe once I start digging into it. That is so lovely. And last in the dehydration box, we've got the Inky List Omega Water Cream. Formulated for all, best for everyone. Helps to hydrate skin and keep it looking healthy. It's a moisturiser. Can be used day and night. Let's see what it says in the booklet. It reinforces the skin barrier in its unique formulation. Omega Water Cream contains a simple combination of an omega fatty acid complex, glycerin, betaine and niacinamide, who work together to optimize long-lasting hydration, keep oil control levels and even skin tone. That sounds really nice. That definitely might be what my skin needs at the moment. Next we've got wrinkles and firmness. Estee Lauder Youth Power Cream Revitalizing Supreme Plus, 50 mils. It says the power is within your skin. Look and feel firmer, radiant, deeply nourished, and now more lifted with our powerful technology featuring our exclusive moringa extract. This silky soft cream reveals your skin's youth potential, significantly improves firmness, density, and elasticity for a more lifted look, reduces the look of lines and wrinkles. Skin is stronger, radiant, deeply hydrated, glows with a new healthy looking vitality. Oh my gosh. Wow. And then it says exactly the same what I read off the back there. So I got a Youth Power Cream by Estee Lauder. Next, SPF box. It's like an advent calendar unboxing. And we've got 2 ultraviolet products. Oh, this is the Extreme Screen Hydrating Skin Screen. Very high protection. SPF 50 plus. I got my very first full size version. I've tried a few different products from this brand and I really, really like it. Really nice and lightweight. Makeup sits amazingly on top as well. Packed with Kakadu plum, a plant native to Australia that is packed with vitamin C and pentavitin, a moisturising plant extract that provides 72-hour hydration. This lightweight cream protects against UV rays and environmental damage while providing a hydrating, satiny finish. Is that? Then we got a lip balm. This is SPF 50. This is your Sheen Screen Hydrating Lip Balm in Rose. This is a tinted one. I've already had one of these before, and a clear one in another beauty box recently. But yeah, look at that. I love that colour. I really love that colour. So yeah, SPF 50 tinted lip balm there. So that's the sunscreen box. Glow. We've got Illuminating Eye Gels by Patchology. And this is by Pi, and this is a Stabilised Vitamin C 20% Brightening Booster. And it says goodness built in. So there's that. Vitamin C booster helps to reduce pigmentation and blemishes for radiant skin. And these patches contain ingredients that work together to reduce dark circles and help fight hyperpigmentation. And then lastly, first signs of aging. We've got a Clarins double serum. This is a complete age-defying concentrate, and there's 50 mils here. It just looks so nice, doesn't it? Its unique bio-inspired dual formula contains 20 powerful plant extracts, including turmeric, highly concentrated in turmerone, and known for its exceptional anti-aging properties. And to go with it, we've got a gua sha. This is a rose quartz gua sha by Sephora, their own brand. And if you've watched my Psychic Sisters unboxing a couple of weeks ago, you'll know that I received a gua sha in that box, and I was telling you that I wanted to start doing it again because I've dipped in and out of doing it because I'm like that. I have been doing it every single day. I've been using a gua sha. Oh, this is so nice. It feels so nice and cool. I have got loads of these now. I do. I really like this though. I love rose quartz. But I've been using it every single day, and I've not long had a message off one of my lovely followers saying that they have seen videos of people using 2 gua shas at the same time. So I pump my lymph nodes for a few seconds, and then I just use it on my chin, and then my cheeks, my under eyes, my forehead, trying to depuff my skin and firm it up. I'm not sure about the firming actually, but yeah, well, it's in that their first signs of aging. So what does it say about it then? It's to smooth cheekbones and sculpt your face, reduces under eye puffiness. I use it with a serum, so that is probably why they were together in this box. So there you go. So those are all my recent PR packages that I've been sent. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you've tried any of these products, what do you think of them? Are there any favourites in here? Are there any products that you would like to see me trying out in like a testing video? Please let me know and I'll see what I can do, because I do want to do more of that. I want to bring that back into my YouTube channel, because I used to, as well as unboxings and things, I used to test loads of products out as well. So yeah, so if that's something you want me to do more of, then please let me know. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.